Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. As I promised you in my last video, I would be making Belizean potato salad. Well, here it is for you. I hope you like it. I'm using one large russet potato, and this is 1 pound. And I'm just gonna peel it and cut it into chunks. Then I'm gonna add 3 eggs to that because I like a lot of egg in my potato salad. Then cover it with water. Just make sure I have enough water to cover the potato. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing a photo of my mom with you so you can see who inspired all my cooking. Bring that to a boil over high heat. Then lower it and salt the water and let that boil for 15 minutes. That was just enough for it to be fork tender. I'm making a small recipe today because it's just my husband and I, and you know, we don't need a lot of potato salad. After the potato finished boil, I took the eggs out and run them under some cold water. Then I put the potato in my bowl, and in that same bowl that I'm going to mix the potato salad in, I like to use a knife and just cut the potato into bite-sized pieces, I guess. Not too small and not too big, you know, just the right size. You can decide that for yourself how you like yours. I'm adding 1 small can of peas and carrots. If you don't like peas and carrots, you can just use mixed vegetables. The eggs that I have peeled and cut up. Some diced onion. And of course, the thing that makes it Belizean is this Heinz salad cream. Every Belizean know what I talk about because we all use it to make our potato salad. Evaporated milk, and this helps to make it creamy. Black pepper and some salt, and that's it. I'm using a fork to give everything a good mix, and that's it, guys. There you go, Belizean potato salad. I know if you're making this potato salad, you'll want some rice and beans and stewed chicken to go with it, so I'll have a link at the end of this video with those recipes for you so you can check them out. As always, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed already, please do so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just so you know when I upload new videos. But I hope you have a great day, and thanks again. Talk to you in my next one. Bye. So I thought I would share a picture with you of my mom, the woman who inspired me to make this channel, to cook all these recipes. It's because of her I'm doing this. She passed away 6 years ago, and my life hasn't been the same since then.